Good morning, students. Very warm welcome. Welcome to online education of Brahan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Education Department. Today we are going to learn the maths topic, fifth maths topic that is, which name is number work. In this subtopic is there question based on numbers 1 to 100. Myself, Yogesh Kore from Dharavi Transit Camp Municipal English School number 1. Our administrative officers, Snehalata Dumbre ma'am, our beat officer, Sharad Kurade sir, our nodal headmistress, Mary Pushpam ma'am, our headmistress, Mrs. Ujjwala Ashok Konda ma'am, and our CNO, Ratilal sir. Let's start with the good thought. As you sow, so shall you reap. This means something that you say, which means everything that happens to you is a result of your own actions. If you treat your friends like that, of course they drop you. You reap what you sow in this life. What do you see in the picture? Yes, very good. What do you see in the first picture? How many stars are there? Would you like to tell?
One.
Yes, very good. In the second picture, how many stars are there?
Four stars. Four stars.
Yes,
Four.
very good. Very good. In the first picture, how many stars are there?
Six.
Please count the stars.
Six stars.
Yeah, very good. There are
Six stars.
total 6 stars are there. Yes, very good. In the second picture, how many stars are there?
10. 10.
Very good. There are 10 stars. It means that we we count the stars in the forms of numbers. These numbers are 1, 4, 6, 10. What are they? These are the numbers. We use this number for counting. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dash, dash, dash. That means innumerable. These numbers are called as a natural numbers. If there is no any star in the picture, that means it is zero. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, dash, dash, dash. These are the natural numbers. We called it as a counting numbers also because these numbers are used for counting. If we add 0 to the natural numbers, we get the whole number. That means, which are the whole numbers? Any idea about you? Yes, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 12, 13. These are the whole numbers. Yes. Now you can see the what are the natural numbers and what are the whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. These are the natural numbers, and natural numbers are also called as a counting numbers. These numbers are innumerable. After that, whole numbers. If we add 0 to the natural numbers, these are the whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash. It means these numbers are innumerable, which are called as whole numbers. Now we have seen the numbers. It means that now we are going to learn the maths topic, that is number work. In this number work, we are going to study the subtopic that name is question based on numbers from 1 to 100. Learning maths is basically playing with numbers, and we have learned the numbers right from the beginning, that is from first standard. But now we are going to study the numbers but in different form. What are the features of 1 to 100 numbers? How many times they appear? How many times does the zero appear? How many times 1 appear between 1 to 100? Don't you think it will create a fun? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, it will create a fun. Why? Because we are going to study the features of numbers from 1 to 100. What are the features of numbers? So let's today begin today's class. Today's class will help you to know about the such interesting, probably unnoticed fact about the numbers 1 to 100. Can you see the numbers on your screen?
Yes.
Yes. How many numbers are there?
1 to 100. 100.
Yes, very good. In the first column, the numbers from 1 to 10. In the second column, 11 to 20. In the third column, 21 to 30. After that, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, and 71 to 80, 81 to 90, and 91 to 100. These are the numbers given on your screen. Let's move further. Yes. Now, just observe the numbers from 1 to 100. We will come to know about some basic features of the numbers. What is the first? If we observe the numbers from 1 to 100, we come to know that there are 9 single digit numbers. You should remember these numbers. Which are they?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, very good. Great. Nice. There are 9 single digit numbers. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the single digit number which are indicated in red color. So you have to remember these numbers. After that, if we observe this number again, we come to know that there are 92 digit numbers. How many 2 digit numbers are there? How many 2 digit numbers are there?
7, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yes.
92.
Yes. 90. 90
90.
numbers are there which are 2 digit numbers, not 92. It's a 90 which are 2 digit numbers. Yes. After that, let's see, there is another number which is indicated in red color. What are the feature of this number? This number is 3. Yes, 100. Very good. This number is 100. And what are the feature of this number? This number is 3 digit number. Yes. So remember these 3 features. Yes. Total there are 9 single digit number 1 to 9. After that there are 90 numbers are there which has 2 digit only. Which are the numbers of 2 digit numbers? That is from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like this, up to 19. From 10 to 19, these are two-digit number which are indicated in blue color. Yes. And the third concept is there is one number which is three-digit number which is 100, which are indicated in red color. If we observe unit place of each number, we come to know that digit 1 to 9 followed by 0 appears again. See at the bottom of the numbers. Are you able to see?
Yes.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes, up to 90. From 10 to 90. At the bottom, you can see these numbers are these digit 1 to 9 followed by 0 appears. Okay. It means we get first 9 digit and 0 digit at unit place consecutively. Yes. So you should remember the 3 point, that is there are 9 single digit numbers from 1 to 10. There are 90 numbers are there which has 2 digit, and there is only one number between 1 to 100 which is 3 digit numbers. Yes. Let's move further. Observe the numbers again. What do you find? Is there any idea? What do
Yes.
you see in the picture? Yes, beta.
Yes, there are one numbers
Yes.
11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21,
Slowly,
31,
slowly.
51,
Yes.
71, 81, 91, and 100. In this number there are one occurs 21 times.
Yes. Very good. From this slide, we come to know that there are 1 to 100 numbers. In the 1 to 100 numbers, the digit 1 occurs 21 times between 1 to 100. And which are the number in which digit 1 occur 21 times? These numbers are 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, and the last one is 100. So the one is indicated in red color. What we have to understand from this picture? We have to understand that from 1 to 100 numbers, the digit 1 occur 21 times. And you should remember the number, which are the numbers in which digit 1 occur 21 times. Okay. Now let's move further. Yes. Now, what do you find in the picture?
In the picture 0 occurs 11 times. 10 they are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100.
Yes, very good. It means that as we learned previous minutes ago, one like this, in this picture, we come to know about 0. That means from 1 to 100 numbers, the digit 0 occurs 11 times. And which are the number in which the digit 0 occur 11 times? These numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. These 0 are indicated in red color. So you should remember these from 1 to 100, the digit 0 occur 11 times. And you should remember which are the numbers in which 0 occurs 11 times. these numbers are on your screen. You can observe it. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now let's move. Now, what do we see in the picture?
Numbers digit 2 to 9, each digits occur 20 times.
Yes, very good. Yes, digit 2 to 9, each digit occur 20 times. If we want to verify this statement, we statement digit 2 to 9, each digit occurs 20 times. If we want to verify this statement, you can take any row of the following, which are indicated in blue color. Yes, you can take
Yes.
any row. Row
8,
means
18, 28,
horizontal line. Yes.
30,
So
28.
I will take the row of 8. So read the row of digit 8. Who will
8,
read the
8,
yes,
18, 28, 38, 48, 58,
38, 58, 68, 78, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 98.
89,
yes,
8.
yes, very good. Fine. This means that digit 2 to 9, each digit occur 20 times. You can take any row of the digit, or you can take
Yes,
the
sir.
first row. Yeah, yes, you can take the first row of digit 2. 2, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28, 29,
29,
30,
32, 42,
43.
52, 62, 72, 82, and the final 92. These all numbers are, if we count this number, the sum of this if we count this number, total numbers are 20. Yes, you can take any row, all the numbers are 20. That means digit 2 to 9 each occur 20 times. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So let's take another information. Yes, now we have to remember this point. Which are the points?
Total
Total
number
numbers
Total number
having
having died one
having
are
digit
found to be
1
20.
are
1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 31, 40, 51, 61, 71, and 81, 91, and 100. Total number
yes,
having died 0, area found to be 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 80, 90, 100.
yes, very good.
total
The
number
total numbers having digit 1 are, is not area. Correct your mistake. It's not area, it's R. Total numbers having digit 1 are found to be 20. Which are the number?
1,
From
10,
yes,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 100.
yes. So you have to remember these numbers. After that, total numbers having digit 0 are found to be 10. Which are the numbers?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yes, there are 10 numbers that you read now. So you have to remember all these numbers. That is, total numbers having digit 1 are 20, and total numbers having digit 0 are found to be 10. and which are the 20 numbers and which are the 10 numbers. You should remember this. Yes. Now, let's see another concept from the numbers. Now, what do you see in the picture?
Total numbers having digit 2 to 9 each are found to be 19.
Yes,
Each
the
row
total numbers having,
numbers,
yes,
particles, digits appears 90 times.
yes. And which are the numbers? Would you like to read?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, full number we have to read.
yes,
2, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. 3, 13, 23, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. 4, 14,
yes,
24, 34,
yes,
40.
yes. Very good. Yes. It means that total number having digit 2 to 9 each are found to be 19. Now you have read the number which are total 19 numbers. You can take any row. Row means horizontal line. You can take any row of the numbers. You will find they are the digit 2 to 9 each are found to be 19. You can take any row. Yes. So remember this. Now let's see further information. Yes, the digit 0 occur 9 times and there are 9 numbers having 0 in them. Which are the numbers having 9 numbers
10,
in 0 in them?
10, 20, 30,
Yes,
50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
yes, these are indicated in red color. These numbers having digit 0 in them and digit 0 occurs 9 times. And the numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. These are the numbers in which digit 0 occur 9 times and there are 9 numbers having digit 0 in them. Yes. Now we come to our conclusion. Till now, what we have learned in the few minutes ago in two-digit numbers 10 to 19. What we have found in two-digit number, digit 0 occur 9 times, digit 1 to 9 each digit occur 19 times, total 9 numbers having digit 0 in them and 18 numbers of each digit from digit 1 to 9. Let's read some conclusion. We have seen the slides, various slides of each concept. Let's see the information in one slide. Let's see the digit 0. You will find there are 3 columns in the table. 4 columns are there. In the first column, there is digit 0. How many times digit occur from 1 to 100? 0 occur 11 times. 1 digit occurs 21 times and 2 to 9 each digit occur 20 times in 1 to 100 numbers. In the second column, you can see how many times the number occur in two-digit number, and the number is 0. 0 occurs 9 times, 1 occurs 19 times, and the digit 2 to 9 occurs 19 times. Now see the third column of the table. number including two-digit numbers. In this, digit 0 occur 9 times, digit 1 occur 18 times, and digit 2 to 9 occurs 18 times. This is very important information. You can take a screenshot also if you want this. From this table, we can find the digit including from 1 to 100 two-digit numbers. Example, how many two-digit numbers are there excluding digit 4? You can see the information given on your screen. From the above table, numbers including 4 are 18. Excluding means without counting digit 4. So from above table, including 4 are 18. So total two-digit numbers are 19. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 18 from 90. That means 90 minus 18 is equal to 72 times. Yes. Now let's see the another concept. There are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Today we are learning the numbers from 1 to 100 only. So keep focus on numbers 1 to 100 only. Above 100. Yes. What are the prime numbers? Do you have any idea about prime numbers? Yes. You can share. Yes. Would you like to share?
Yes.
What is your concept of prime number?
For example, there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100.
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are 25 prime numbers,
Yes.
200.
Very good. Very good. These are the prime numbers. But why we call this as a prime number? Because prime numbers have two factor, that is 1 or itself. In the prime number has two factor, that is 1 or itself and no anymore. And in this prime number, 2 is only even number, which is prime number. So keep in mind there are 25 numbers in the numbers from 1 to 100. And which are they? Just now you have read the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. See?
17,
Yes.
19, 23,
Yes. 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. And the last one,
21.
yes, last one, 97. Yes. After that, there are 8 pairs of twin primes. Now let's see twin primes. What is mean by twin primes? If there is, now you know about the prime number, let's say twin prime. If there is one and only one number between two prime number, it means if there is one and only number between the two prime number is said to be twin prime number, and there are 8 pairs from 1 to 100. Which are the pairs? You can see on the screen. These pairs are 3 and 5. Yes, from 1 to 100 there are 8 pairs of twin prime. 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 29 and 31, 41 and 43, 59 and 61, and 71 and 73.
3.
Yes. So keep in mind all the things that we learned till now. That is how many times 0 appears, how many times 1 appears, how many times 2 to 9 each digit occurs. Okay. Now I have some questions. for you which are already solved. We will discuss how we have to find
टीचर लोग कितना
the
मैसेज कर
answer
रहे
for the
सच में
given question. Yes. Let's see the first question. How many two-digit numbers are there which has digit 6? So you have to keep the numbers 1 to 100 in front of your eye. You will come to know about the answer of this question. How many two-digit numbers are there which has digit 6? We have to find it. Yes,
18
yes. But how? There
list of
is,
numbers which
yes,
have digit 6 10 26 36 46 56 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 76 86 96 so there are 8
yes,
numbers which have digit 6
yes. Fine, very good. These are the numbers which has digit 6. What we have to find? Two-digit numbers which has digit 6. So we have to list the numbers which has digit 6, and these numbers now you have read the numbers. So the option, yes, our answer is 18. So you have to dark the circle of option number 3, that is you have to dark the circle for C. So this is your final answer. Now let's see another question. How many two-digit numbers are there in which the digit 9 does not occur?
72
Yes,
70 times
but you have to understand how the answer will come. What we have to do to find out the answer. You should
digit number
keep in mind.
are 90. Total number having digit 9 are 18. Number does not have digit 9. Answer 19 plus 18.
Yes,
Answer
it's not
72.
plus, it's minus. So correct your mistake. It's not a plus, it's a minus.
Number
90 minus 18 is equal to 72.
290 is equal to
Yes,
90 minus 18 is equal to 72.
yes, very good. Now the answer is given on the screen, so you are able to tell the answer. But if there are only options are there, you have to find the answer from the option. There are 4 options are given, and you have to find the correct answer, and you have to dark that circle. Yes. So how many two-digit numbers are there in which the digit 9 does not occur? Not occurs, does not occur. So we have to find the first, what we have to find? Total numbers. How many total numbers? Two-digit number 90, and total numbers having 9 are 18. So the numbers does not have digit 9. So we have to subtract 18 from 19. So 19 minus 18 is equal to 72. So the option number 2, that is option number B. So you have to dark the option number B. Yes. Let's see the another question. How many times digit 7 occurs on 1 to 50? Not 1 to 100. It's a 1 to 50.
5.
Yes, very good. 5. And which are the numbers?
Number having digit 7 are 7, 17, 27, 37, 47.
Yes, these are the numbers which which number has 7 occurs. Yes, these numbers are 7, 17, 27, 37 and 47. So which option is correct? How many numbers are there? 1 to 15. Keep in mind 1 to 15, not 1 to 100. in between 1 to 50, we have to find how many times the digit 7 occurs. If the if it is a question for 1 to 100, the answer will be different. Are you getting my point? We have to find how many times the digit 7 occurs between 1 to 15, not 1 to 100. If we have asked about 1 to 100, the answer will different. Now in this question, there are 5.
Yes.
Yes. So the answer is 5. So our option is D option is correct. So you have to dark the option number D.
B.
Yes. Let's move further. Let's see the fourth question. How many two-digit numbers are there in which digit 0 does not occur?
Sir, B 81.
B.
81.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
So
But you should know how it
81.
will come.
two-digit number minus 90. Two-digit number having 0 are 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Two-digit numbers not having
Sir.
digit 0 are 9 minus 9. Answer is 81.
Correct your mistake. It's not a 9. 90 minus 9 is equal to 81. But you should
Sorry.
remember that. Yes. Okay. It's okay. Fine.
Sir.
How many two-digit numbers? 90. Two-digit numbers having 0 are 9, and these numbers are given in bracket. So the two-digit numbers not having digit 0
Yes.
are, we have to subtract 9 from 90. So our answer will be 81. That means the option number second, that is B. So you have to dark the option number B. Yes. Let's see the next question. How many numbers from 1 to 100 have 1 in their unit place?
Sir,
We have
10.
to find the,
Sir.
Sir, 10.
yes, yes,
Uh,
very good. 10. Which are the numbers?
the number are 1, 11, 21,
Unable.
41,
सर
51,
लेसन कौन सा है
71, 81, 91. Total numbers are 10.
Yes. It's a number work. In this, we are learning the subtopic, that is question based on from 1 to 100. This is our topic.
सर
Yes. Let's see another question. Question number 6. How many numbers from 1 to 100 have same digit in the unit place? You can see the answer of this question. That is, which are the numbers?
10.
11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99 and 100. So the total numbers are 10, which had same digit in the unit place. Yes. So the option number third, it means option number C. So that you have to dark the circle for option number C. Let's see the final question, which is solved already. How many two-digit numbers from 1 to 100 have same digit in the unit place?
Sir, answer is 9.
Yes, but you should know how we have to find the answer.
The
For that,
number
you should know all the numbers from 1 to 100. That we learn the number previous few minutes ago.
okay.
Yes. So what is the answer of this question?
9.
Yes. And which are the numbers?
The numbers are 11, 22, 33, 44,
55, 66, 77, 88, 99. So that total number are 9.
Yes, the numbers from 1 to 100 have same digit in the unit place, and these numbers are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. If we count all these numbers, it will come, that is 9. So our option number D. You have to dark the circle for option number D. This is your correct answer. Yes. Now you have to solve this question, and you have to tell how we can find the answer for this question.
How many times does the digit occur in the
In the number from 1 to 100. So there are 4 options. Option number 1, 19. Option number 2, 18. The third one, 20. And the fourth one, 21. So read the question, observe the question.
How many?
How many times does the digit occur in the number from 1 to 100? What we have to do? Is there any idea?
20.
Yes, you are very close, but not correct one. Yes, I will explain. No issue. If we count the number from 1 to 100, digit occurs in the number from 1 to 100. So what is your answer?
21.
Is there any other answer?
Yes.
Yes, it's a 19. Let's see the another question. How many 2-digit numbers are there excluding digit 7?
72. Sir,
Yes, very good. 72. How there are 92-digit number. There are 18 numbers having 7 digits. So the number of 2-digit number which do not have 7 digits, for that we will subtract 18 from 19. So 90 minus 80 is equal to 72. So the answer will option number 4, that is 72. So you have to dark the circle for option number 4. Now let's see third question. How many prime numbers are there in the numbers from 1 to 100?
25.
I told you few minutes ago.
25.
Yes, very good.
25
Very good.
numbers are there.
Yes, very good. I told just now. There are total 25 numbers which are prime number from 1 to 100. So the option number first, that is 25. This is the correct answer. So you have to dark the option number 1. Let's see next question. How many times does the digit 6 occur at 10 place from 1 to 100? Yes. Options are 11, option number 2, 10, third one 12, and the fourth one 20. Yes. Okay. The number 60 to 69. In this number, 6 is at 10 place. 60 to 69. If we observe the number from 60 to 69, that is from 60, 61, 62, 63, 65, 66, 67, 69. How many numbers are there from 60 to 69? There are 10 numbers which has 6 at their unit place. So the answer will option number 2, that is 10. So the correct option is 10. You have to dark the circle for option number 2. Now let's see the next question. How many square numbers are there between 1 to 100? Yes. Is there any idea? How many square numbers are there between 1 to 100? Okay. Let's see the first. Let's see the what are the square numbers. Square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. These are the square numbers. So we have to count all these numbers which are square numbers. If we count these all numbers, we will get these are 10. So the option number 1 is correct one. So you have to dark the circle for option number 1, that is 10. Now let's see the next question. How many times the digit 8 occurs at unit place from 1 to 100? Yes, is there any idea what we have to do? How many times does the digit 8 occurs at unit place from 1 to 100? Yes, these numbers are 8, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58, 68, 78, 88 and 98. These are the numbers in which 8 occurs at unit place from 1 to 100. So the option number 10. How many numbers are there? 10. So the option number second, that is, so you have to dark the circle for option number 2, that is 10. Now let's see the next question. Question number 7. How many numbers in all from 1 to 100 are the multiple of 14? To solve this question, you should know the table of 14. Do you know the table of 14? Okay. 14 sevens are 98. 14 sevens are 98. So the number from 1 to 100, that is 2 digit, we have to find the 2 digit number. So 14 sevens are 98. For that, the answer will 14 sevens are is means option number 2, that is 7.
7.
So the yes, 14 sevens are 98. So you have to dark the circle for option number 2, that is 7. Now let's see the final question. How many numbers are there between 1 to 100 which have digit 1 and 2 respectively? Yes? Okay. The digit, as you learned few minutes ago, digit 1 occurs 21 times and the digit 2 occurs 20 times.
Sir, 20 and 21 times.
Yes, very good. 20 and 21 times. Yes, very good. So the option number 2 is correct one. Yes. So you have to dark the circle for the option number 2. Very good. Now this is the homework for you. You can take a screenshot also.
Sir, I have taken a screenshot.
Yes, very good. So we will stop here. Thank you.